Want to dominate Amazon? These 4 insider hacks will change everything. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Alright, so I personally already helped sellers like the Woobles. They're making $800,000 a month. We created their listings, optimized them, got them on Amazon ads, and made sure they are making as much money as humanly possible. And right now, they're doing pretty darn good. You can even check out their case studies on the website. But now for some insider secrets. Number 1 is knowing how to escalate your case to Amazon. So if there's an issue on your listing, you're suspended, your listing's taken down, something else, if you don't know how to properly contact Amazon and get to the right department, it's going to take 10 times longer to resolve an issue. And the longer it takes, the longer your sales might be stalled or your account might be deactivated. And what you can do is, here's a little level of Amazon seller support. Let me put this in the middle. So when you first open up the case, you're going to the lowest level of Amazon support, which is just the seller support team, right? You want to call them and then request to get to the catalog team is my recommendation. Now the catalog team, once you get in touch with them, they can resolve a lot of the issues. Seller support usually doesn't want to get you to the catalog team because they're told they're supposed to try to solve the issue first. But what you need to do is just make it seem like a catalog issue and then say transfer me to the catalog team. They'll be surprised you even know what the catalog team is. And then once you get to the catalog team, they have a lot of power and they have the ability to pretty much fix, I would say, 80% of your issues in a couple clicks. If they can't fix it, you can also request to go to the captive team, and then finally the leadership team. Another team is the brand registry team. You can, if you are brand registered, the brand registry team has the most power out of every single team combined on this list right here that you can see. But they are a little bit more difficult to work with. So you can also, at the same time you're contacting the catalog team, you can utilize the brand registry team. And then the executive team is only for extremely major things. You don't want to ever contact the executive team unless you've already went through all these other teams and you're still working to resolve the issue. Now make sure when you open up a case on Amazon, you don't let the case close. The longer the case is open, the higher the chances that you'll get somebody from the leadership team jumping in to fix your issue. Number 2 is knowing how to stand out on Amazon by making your first image idiot proof. This is the first thing we do when we onboard clients or we're looking at their listing and doing a listing analysis, is we're looking at their first image, right? That's going to be whether people are going to be clicking on it or whether they're just going to scroll past. You want to have a really good first image. And what I do is a little bit of an idiot test. And I tell my team, we go over this all the time. If you show this image, just this image, to a 10-year-old, will they know what it is, right? And if the majority of 10-year-olds are like, oh, what is this? Oh, this is a glove, or is it a sock? If they don't know what it is right away, then you're doing a disservice to your Amazon listing, right? So a good example is this listing. If I showed this to a 10-year-old, they would know within milliseconds what it is. Oh, they can literally see it's a woman, she's sleeping, it's a sleep mask, right? If I show this, it may take a lot longer. You want it to take milliseconds for the customer to understand what the product is and what it does. So make sure that your first image is more like this one, and do the idiot test. Number 3 is to increase sales and get to the first page. You need a good launch strategy. So even if you're already selling and you're trying to increase your sales, or you're launching a new listing, a nice written strategy does help, right? So maybe you're gonna redo your SEO, and now you have like, okay, I'm gonna redo my title, I'm gonna redo my bullet points, right? So you can start ranking higher, because the keywords that are already in your title, if they've been in there for over 6 months, you're already ranking for those. You can change them up and rank for more keywords. Pricing strategy. Main image, we talked about that. Video. Do you have videos on your listing? A+ content, brand story, Amazon Vine, reviews, inventory, PPC, and then there's also other ones like external traffic. Have you tried pushing external traffic? Have you tried TikTok influencers? Things like that. But the main ones that I want to discuss that's going to make your listing even better is going to be Amazon Vine. So this does get some hate, but it is one of the best ways to get 30 reviews as quickly as possible. If your listing doesn't have 30 reviews, I tell all of our clients, enroll in Vine, enroll in Vine, enroll in Vine. The only time you'll be worried about Vine is if your product isn't good. Vine can only make your product better because the reviews are honest, and then you can make sure that your product is better next time you order, right? But you get real honest reviews and you get up to 30, and that helps with credibility. Next is SFB, which is search, find, buy. You can use a website called Rebate to do this. What you're going to do is you're going to give away your product. So let's say I wanted to jump up sales on this even higher, right? And I want to rank for a specific keyword. So I want to show up number 1 for sleep mask. So when somebody types in sleep mask, I want to show up number 1. Right now I'm number 2. How do I show up number 1, right? So what you need to do is you need to give away your product, but you want to do it strategically where they do a search, find, buy. So an Amazon customer comes to Amazon, types in sleep mask, then they find your listing, they click on it, then they purchase it. That tells Amazon's algorithm that you should be ranking number 1 for the keyword sleep mask. That's a search, find, buy method. A lot of people don't know how to do that. That's one of the easiest ways to get to the first page and stay there, right? And then also it's going to be Amazon ads. So Amazon advertising, super important. Make sure you know how to run Amazon ads and you're doing it properly. The next is going to be pricing strategy. Now this is another one to get in front of the customer. So I already talked about, so let's say we did step 1. We redid all of our SEO. We looked at our top competitors. How can we get to page number 1? Right now we're number 2. How can we get to number 1? Right? So we redid all of our SEO. Okay? Next thing we did is we are working on ads. Next thing we did is we did rebate. And the final thing is my recommendation is going to be the pricing strategy. And a lot of people hate doing this, but this one works the best in my opinion. If you do this all at the same time, you're pretty much going to get an extremely great amount of results. And that's going to be the pricing strategy. So yes, okay, right now this is right. It looks like they're doing the pricing strategy right now. They already have a limited time deal. So they are doing the pricing strategy because their regular price is $14.99. But what you're going to do again is like cut your price down by like 50%. Pretty much at break even or close to it. So you're not like completely losing money. But you're only going to be doing it for a little bit of time. This is going to literally gain momentum like crazy. Like your sales are going to go from 1 a day to 8 a day to 10 a day, and you're going to slowly get to the first page if you have a really good launch strategy. So you can do this for current listings or brand new listings, and you can also use external traffic to help push sales. That does help as well if you understand external traffic. If you don't, that's okay. Everything I mentioned right now will help. And last but not least, number 4 is escalating emails to the executive teams. So again, I usually don't give these away. These are actual executives at Amazon. Jeff still has his email. I know he's a board of directors now, but these guys, one of our clients was suspended, right? And they weren't getting reinstated. And we're like, okay, what do? We need to escalate it to an executive. So we wrote out a really good email, 1 page or less. It was very, very straight to the point, showing them everything we've done. And then in 1 day, their entire account got reinstated. And we didn't submit a plan of action. It just randomly got reinstated. This was via email. So the executive emails do work. They do listen. It's a last resort. So if you do need executive emails, here are the executive emails. Their executive team will review it and they will give you a response. I would only use this for suspension, maybe for other things, but you need to do this very sparingly and you need to know exactly how to do it. Here's an example of the email that we sent to the executive team, and then this one was pretty much approved, and the account was reinstated in less than 24 hours. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Leave a comment below on a secret you learned selling on Amazon yourself. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end. Let us do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.